Jennies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How's everyone doing today? Okay, babies, we have a Michael haul, and I'm also going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul, but that's in the next video because I have a lot of stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree that I want to show you. But first, let's do a Michael haul. I bought this paper at Michael's, which I fell in love with. I wanted to show you guys how beautiful and gorgeous this pad of paper is. I also bought a few other things. I want to show you my sign that I got at Michael's. I'm so excited. I came across this beautiful, beautiful vintagey looking sign. It says New Orleans French Quarters. I love this sign. I want to go there next year. This is like one of my most wanted visit place in the world, and hopefully maybe we'll be able to go in 2020. We'll see. But I found this sign and I loved it and I grabbed it, and it only cost me $4. It was marked down for like $80, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. So I got actually two. I bought this one and I bought another one that I'm going to hang up upstairs in my attic. This one I'm going to hang in my living room. So I also bought some of these beautiful twine. You guys know how I feel about these twines. I love the one with the red and the white. That's you know, Christmas. These were 50% off, so I grabbed two of these. I love, love, love working with these twines for Christmas. They're one of my favorites. I love them. I also picked up these cute, adorable little felt stickers. They're these little adorable deers with googly eyes. You guys know how much I feel about googly eyes. And I thought these were so cute. So I grabbed them. These were also on sale. They were buy one and get one 50% off. But look how cute these little deers are. Hello. I love them. They're so cute. I can't wait to make something with them. Okay, so why I really want to talk to you guys about this paper. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. I fell in love with it. I've never seen this paper before. This is my first time. It's called Classic Vintage. It's just beautiful. It has a whole bunch of vintage, beautiful, classic Christmas images. So let me bring you close because I really want to show you this like in detail, okay? It might be too close, but just work with me. So I wanted to get another one of these papers and I did not find any. I only found one, but I definitely am going to go and try to find another one. So okay, so the first one you get is this beautiful Santa Claus, which is so vintagey looking, and I love, love, love the detail on this paper. And look, on the background they have these like snowflakes and they're actually glitter, so it is so beautiful. And also if you touch it, it's kind of like dimensional also. So beautiful. This paper is really, really beautiful. You got some bells, which are awesome. Then you have these really beautiful snowflakes that are very sparkly as well. This is my favorite paper in here. This adorable deer. They're so, so cute. These like vintagey looking deer. And it's just adorable. It has the Santa Claus hat. She's kind of like sitting on the clouds. So gorgeous. I love, love, love this paper. And then you have these beautiful, amazing vintage images, and these are like really, these are actually cut out, so you actually don't have to do anything. It's already comes out pre-cut for you. All you gotta do is just pop it out, see, which is awesome. They're all like that. I like that. I really like that. Okay, then you got some stars. Then you got this like beautiful Christmas inspired paper. This beautiful image of like houses and the snow and Santa and a sleigh. Some kids over here playing. I love this paper. This is really, really awesome. This is kind of like that like fires brick wall kind of paper. Very nice. I love this. This is another nice one I like. It's some Christmas balls, but I like the background. It's kind of like a pinky-ish tone. Love this paper. Love, love, love these candy canes. They're so beautiful, so sparkly, so awesome. I love this paper. Okay, then you got some basic. Then you have this beautiful, I guess it has like a reef kind of look to it. This is another one that I fell in love with. Old vintagey looking postcards. I love this paper. I absolutely fell in love with it. I am absolutely cannot wait to get my hands on this page. So beautiful. But you see all these like vintagey looking postcards? I love it. Love so much. I am like anxious to do something with this soon, like real soon. Okay, let's keep going. Then you have some beautiful Christmas trees, and I like that it has pink and green and red on it. I like the pink contrast. It's fun. Beautiful wreaths, Christmas wreaths with the balls, Christmas balls and the stars and the bow. I love it. These are just stars. These are really also beautiful. They have like these little the countdown for Christmas, and I love the little images in the paper pad. It's super duper cute as well. And you got this one. This is simple. This paper, I love this one so much. I guess because it's pink, right? But I love the pink on it, and I love all the Christmas greetings on it. It's just so beautiful. Again, not your normal ordinary, you know, colors, but I just love the pink. I love it. I like this paper also. It's like trees. I kind of like this paper. I don't know. It's a little bit unique. This is beautiful. Gives you some music paper in here. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love this as well. You got these little squares with like different Christmas, like jingle bells and Christmas and believe and holy and just a whole bunch of beautiful, awesome Christmas little wordings like Santa, Noel, jingle bell, joy, believe, peace, holidays, just a whole bunch of great Christmas inspired little things here. I also like this paper. Also, it's beautiful. Little houses on the mountain where there's a lot of snow. It's just really beautiful. So gorgeous. And that's it. So this paper pad is absolutely adorable. I am really loving this paper pad. I don't know if it comes in a smaller version. I did not find any more. I only came across one. I wanted to get more, but I did not come across any, just one. Okay, that's for Michael's. I want to do a very small haul video for Dollar General. I went back because I needed to get a few things, and I came across these awesome, I just wanted to show you really quickly, these little awesome, what are they called, deer? Or I guess deers, right? Deers. Yeah, reindeers. Okay, so I came across these reindeers, and I thought that it was so awesome for the price that I had to grab it, right? Because I just thought it was absolutely awesome for the price of it. So let me show you. There are these really glittery, awesome reindeers, and what I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking of making my own little DIY picks, and I just thought it was so beautiful, so sparkly, and they're just gorgeous. And I think that for the price is amazing. You get 3 deers for $1.50. I mean, literally, they're like almost like, I don't know what, like not even 50 cents. I mean, it's crazy because you get 3 and nice size deers. Okay, this is not like a small, it's a good size deer in here. Let me show you. Hold on. They're supposed to be ornaments for the tree, but I'm going to use them as picks. But look how beautiful these deers are, and look how sparkly they are. I think they're gorgeous, and they're going to be absolutely gorgeous to use as picks. So we'll be doing that soon in our not Halloween, in our Christmas series. I love them. So I got 3 of these. Again, $1.50 for each one of these is crazy. And you can actually use these as ornaments on your Christmas tree. So that's really a good price. I think it's an awesome price. And I think that because you get 3 in here is really, really a good bargain, okay? So make sure you keep your eye on that. I also had to go pick up some more of these snow sheets because we're going to be making some picks, and I need to add this inside the pick. So I got 2 of these gigantic snow sheets for $1 each at the Dollar General, and I found these beautiful signs that I just fell in love with. And I just grabbed them all because I thought that it was so beautiful and so inexpensive. These signs cost only $1, guys, and it's a really nice quality. It's actually cardboard, but it's a really hard cardboard, and it's just beautiful. I love how it looks. It's so vintagey looking. Hold on, let me get this out of the way because I can't. Okay, there we go. Look how gorgeous this sign is. So beautiful, right? And it's only $1. I was like, what? And it's cardboard. It's pretty sturdy. I like it. I think it's awesome. So I grabbed 3 of them. They only had 3, so I grabbed 3. But I just love it. I love this sign. I think it's beautiful. Okay? And that's the only thing that I grabbed at the Dollar General. I just really went back for to get more of these little sheets, like snow sheets, and I came across the rest of the other stuff. All right, my loves. So I'm gonna be doing a Dollar Tree haul video next. Stay tuned. If you don't come back, thank you for stopping by. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a fantastic weekend and love you all. Bye.